Mga batang excited, guys. Ate, buhok mo. Kaya na imong buhok, Ate B. Manig ko. Kuya, oh, dagan-dagan. So, they're very excited. They want to eat ice cream. So, what's the flavor of this?
Huh?
What's the flavor? Okay, this is 2-in-1 Family Dew, Rocky Road, Vanilla Choco Spread. Ayan na, guys. Excited na si Kuya, si Ate, at si Chay Chay. Oh! What's that langga? Ate, get us. You give me glass also. Oh no, Chay Chay want to eat na. He said, hi Chay! Ayan guys. Wow. You give also Chay Chay, just little of it. I know that she's not allowed, but then she really want to eat it. Like, see? She's touching it. How about Kuya? Are you okay, Kuya? So, kaya nandun na yung mga chairs, guys, dahil nandito yung makulit naming bata, guys. Gusto yung umakyat. Natatakot kami. So, pag meron kayong mga bata, guys, talagang nandun na sa taas yung mga chairs nyo, hindi na sa baba. Magaling kasi makaakyat. Chay Chay. Okay, can you give me also, Ate? Yan na si Ate! Yan naman si Kuya. Love it? Yummy, yummy? Okay. Kanta na kayo ng ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Kuya, mahulog. My goodness, nag-ice cream. Okay, everybody sing. Ice cream good. Ate, hindi na sila kumakanta. Okay, go.
Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
Ate, you sing. So, hindi na makakanta guys, oh, dahil marami ng laman na. Ay, China!
Sige, tata ko na. Ice cream yummy.
The white one. Vanilla.
Good.
Can you sing, Kuya? Kuya!
No, but tade.
Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Kuya Liam.
But tade.
Oh, so.
Yummy.
Uy, ayaw pag-ubos
Meron
kasi
ako.
Ate pa. Ate Malin pa. Si Kuya Kevin.
Ribata ko ni.
The white one. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Tut, 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 tut. Ice cream good. You sing, Ate. Ice cream good.
Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Mama. Ice cream good. Yummy!
Nagkalasan sa na. Ikaw, Kuya. Ikaw, Kuya.
Ice cream mommy. Ice cream good. Ice cream mommy. Ice cream good.
Yay! Ikaw, Ate. Ate, go! Okay, nahiya si Ate Jeline. Sino, Ate? Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Cute. So, happy si Chay Chay, guys, na kumakain. Uy, at Kuya Kevin, dali na.
Pwede ko ito.
Kitaan mo nala. Ito naman, guys, ay ako ay batang matibay.
No!
Yeah, la 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 la. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream yummy. Yan. Go, kunti na lang guys. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Please subscribe. Busy na sila eh. Kain na. So, ito yung request nila pag uwi ko. Okay, pa nagbigyan naman. Oh, you want it, Kuya? Oh my God. Oh, Ate, wag na daw. Kuya na. Wag na. Iya na daw. Di ba, Kuya?
Ayaw, naku na din.
Oh, imo na. Sige, go, Kuya. Flying kiss na to, Mama. Flying kiss na. Hey, kuya, dali na. Very busy. Wow, kuya. Shoot.
Okay, bahala ka.
Okay, kuya, ice here. Kita nga dia? Kuya Liam. Kuya Liam Maxel. So, gusto niya talaga yung ice cream, guys. Uy. Ayaw magpa-disturbo. Sarap na sarap. Good job. Oh. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.